Good day, everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change the lock screen clock on your Android phone. First, you need to open your settings application. You can do this by swiping up from the home screen, or you can also search for it. Now scroll down and select Wallpaper and Style. Select it. Once it loads, tap on Lock Screen Image, and here you'll see your clock. Tap on the clock itself. You can then browse different clock styles and fonts by scrolling through the options at the top and bottom of the screen. You can also download more fonts by tapping on the three dots on the right. Then tap on Download Fonts and select the font that you want to download. Then after choose your desired clock, select the font, and then tap on Done in the top right, and the changes will be saved instantly. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.